Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and today's weather hazard briefing is for Thursday, September 23rd. We have some morning showers working through the area, which will quickly taper off, and we're looking at some dry and warmer conditions through the start of next week. So as we talked about, that cold front continues to work through this morning, bringing with it some continued chances for some light morning rain showers, maybe a rumble of thunder along the Utah border. Temperatures in the 60s and low 70s today make for the coolest day of the week. An upper level ridge does develop through the rest of the week, and what that's going to mean for us is warming temperatures and some dry and breezy conditions, especially Saturday through Monday timeframe. And looking towards midweek next week, we do see a slight chance for a pattern change, which will bring with it some widespread precipitation chances, some high elevation snow possible, and much cooler temperatures for midweek next week. Here's a look at our current satellite loop from this morning, seeing those showers and clouds as they work through southeast Idaho. But towards around, after a sunrise this morning, things should be clearing out. Here's a look at our weather risk outlook. Main concerns are for that Saturday through Monday time frame with the very low relative humidities and breezy conditions, so right on the marginal cusp for that red flag criteria, and we'll be keeping a close eye on that for that period for any fire weather concerns. A look at the high temperatures, kind of a contrast between yesterday and today. Things cool off for today by about 5 to 10 degrees across the forecast area, with seasonable temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. And for Friday morning looks to be the coolest morning of this week for the remainder of the period, with lows in the upper 30s to mid 40s. And for the highs for Friday, looking to be in the mid 70s. So warming up by a few degrees, and we'll see that warming trend continue through the later part of the week. Take a look at your Saturday. Things again warm up by a few degrees, and then we have some elevated possible wind gusts, especially around that Arco Desert area. Be keeping a close eye on that for any fire weather concerns. And similar situation again Sunday. Temperatures again right around 80 degrees, so keeping that warming trend going through the end of the week, with wind gusts again slightly elevated for your Sunday. And again, associated with the red flag concerns, very dry air is associated with this upper level ridge in our area. So some fire weather concerns are possible for this weekend and into the start of next week before we see any possible relief with precipitation moving into our area. And here's a look at your high temperatures Monday. Just about the same temperatures in the 80s with some more dry, sustained conditions for the start of next week. And here's a quick look at our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. This is mainly focusing on that next week time frame. And right now we are seeing that we're leaning towards that slightly above category for precip. So hoping to see some shower activity towards midweek next week and maybe some cooler temperatures associated with that. And again, on our temperatures, we're about seasonable for this time of year for next week. So that means about the 70s and upper 60s for our mountainous areas. And it looks like we're going to be continuing just leaning a slightly above precipitation chances for that 8 to 14 day for that first week of October. And for temperatures, just about expected, maybe a little bit warmer along our eastern Wyoming border of Idaho. But as far as staying just about normal for this time of year for temperatures and maybe a little bit on the wetter side for precipitation. And here's a quick look back at our summary for today. We have that cold front that works through this morning with that continued chance for some light morning rain showers, maybe a rumble of thunder along the Utah border, but those chances quickly diminish after sunrise today. Temperatures in the 60s and low 70s make for the coolest day of the week. An upper level ridge does develop and will be with us through the rest of the week and into the start of next. And what that means for us is warming temperatures and some dry and breezy conditions with some possible fire weather concerns towards the Saturday through Monday timeframe. A pattern change midweek next week could be bringing with it some widespread precipitation chances and some possible high elevation snow and some colder temperatures return for midweek. And that about wraps up your weather briefing today for Thursday, September 23rd. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to give us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a wonderful day.